Hey guys, just a little update video. Tomorrow's video will be out slightly later in the day probably. It will be out. There has been a lack of videos on the channel recently, from 2 a week down to 1 again. That's mainly been because I've been quite tied up with work this last while and not had the free time to be able to film the videos. But as tomorrow's video comes out, I am going to be away collecting one of the two very interesting project cars that I said will be really liked by this channel. I hope they will be really liked by this channel. The backstory of this car is amazing. Really, I've never came across a classic car with this kind of history. And I'm sure you'll enjoy hearing the story of it. Now, down to the point that it is this great a backstory and this iconic a vehicle, I feel, and I'm sure you guys would hopefully agree with me, that this reveal video and letting you see this car that's been on the go for since the beginning of this year now, trying to recover it, that you'll agree with me that I'm going to do it as a 700 subscriber video special, the unveiling of it, and the videos will continue from there onwards. But tomorrow I'll be away picking this vehicle up and I'm really excited to see it. It is quite unique, to say the least. But I'm not going to let any too much away about it. So we'll round this video up quite quick. When we hit 700 subscribers, I will drop the new video for the latest project car. And I hope you guys like it. So until then, I hope you enjoy the other videos on the channel. There'll be some updates on the kitten coming in the next couple of weeks, as well as the Bond Bug and the Super Van, which will be taking over the channel a little bit until it goes away for paint. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy the videos on the channel at the moment, and I hope we hit the 700 subscriber numbers so that I can share this latest project with you, because you really I think you will really like it. Till then, we'll see you next time.